In this video I'll be talking about chainsaw safety and maintenance. First I'll start talking about the safety. When it comes to gear, you need the best stuff that you can get. You want some nice steel toe boots, so when a log falls on your foot it will not crush your toes, with some high quality leather, so in case you nick your foot with your saw it won't tear your foot up. Then you want some eye protection, so that debris will not fly up in your eye and hurt your eyes. Ear protection, so you will not get deaf, and so you have better hearing longer in your life. Hand protection, in case your hand slips and hits your chain, you will not tear up your hand. You need some good leg protection. This leg protection, they're called Kevlar chaps. They protect your legs in case your saw nicks your leg. Alright, now with the chainsaw, safety is really important with your chainsaw. Every chainsaw has a working chain brake. What the chain brake does is when the chain is turning and kickback occurs, your hand will hit that handguard and it'll stop the chain almost instantly so it doesn't come up and hit your face. Always make sure your chain brake is working. And then make sure your throttle lock is always working before you start the saw. If your throttle is stuck when you're starting your saw, bad injury can happen. And all saws have a choke and stop switch. Make sure your kill switch or stop switch is always functional and working, and your choke switch is always working too. Now in this video we're going to talk about maintenance. The first thing with maintenance with your chainsaw, you always want to clean it. So now here I got my chainsaw all nice and clean so I can show you what to do. First is the air filter. You always want to blow out your air filter with some nice compressed air, get all the debris that could be on it so it doesn't get inside the carburetor and get clogged. Then you want to take out your spark plug and clean any carbon buildup that could be on your spark plug and clean that off with a wire wheel. Then take the clutch cover off on your clutch and get the needle bearing out and grease the needle bearing and grease the PTO end of the crankshaft. Then the spark arrestor, which is located on top of this muffler. Take the spark arrestor out of the muffler and clean off all the carbon buildup that could be in that. If you do not clean that, sparks could probably erupt inside of the engine and burn up your engine. And then on your bar, every time you're using your bar and you're cutting with it, burrs start to occur on the edge of the rails. So you want to take a flat file and go across the bar with a flat file and take those burrs off. And then you want to take a chainsaw file, and sharpen every single tooth to the right degree, which is 35 degrees for this chain. It could be different for others. And make sure all that your teeth are sharpened and each single raker filed down along with the teeth. Okay.